My name is Louisa Tryphonnis and I teach on the Air Cabin Crew course at Sussex Coast College in Hastings. God, I get so nervous. So, that's good, isn't it? 23 minutes?
No, battery.
Oh, right, yeah, good, because I don't know, I can talk for another 23 minutes, like.
Of course not.
All I'm thinking is that there's going to be a Primark down the road and that they could go there in their lunch break. Okay, hold on. You didn't tell me that my bow had slipped.
Oh, I didn't really.
I think we've got to start from the beginning. No, we haven't. I'm joking. Hobbies. I like baking. Yesterday I made some cinnamon and walnut blondies. And some Paw Patrol cakes. Oh, I didn't know you were actually recording it. I was taking the Well, I don't have any hobbies. I haven't got time for hobbies. I go to baby ballet once a week.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, with the baby, but I join in. Teaching. I can't mention the 12 weeks holiday.
Hello. Hey. You're on camera.
Oh.